Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Johan and today is day 3. I'm drawing a picture of myself drawing as a kid. I used to draw a lot, mostly Donald Duck / Disney and Pokemon related drawings, but one of my favorite things to draw was fake Pokemon. Not long after I received my first Pokemon game, which was Pokemon Yellow, at the age of 5, I got inspired to create my own Pokemon. And all throughout my life, I used to draw them, especially in class while listening to my teachers, as for me, doodling worked like note-taking. I want to recreate many of the fake Pokemons I used to make as a child, and actually want to make it into a YouTube series. So if this is something that interests you, please subscribe. And you can actually find some of the ones I already recreated and redrawn over at my DeviantArt. Link for that is in the description. If you want to participate in the Childhood Week as well, all information will also be in the description. And if you want more of me, all my links, all my social media will also be found down there. I would love to hear what you think and leave a like, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.